YouTubers, this is a marble run, another one. You already saw another one that we made. We worked very hard on it. And in this one there's actually two courses. There's one here that goes all the way down here, and then there's one that starts here and goes all the way down to here. And here we go. Let's do this one first. And that was one course.
Course 1.
Yep. This is the second one. It's not as big. Thanks for watching. This was a film by Puny Films. Bye.